Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you how to pay your Dstv account using the my Dstv application. So what you have to do is to come to Play Store. You download this, you type in my Dstv, the app will load. This is how it will look like. Then what you have to do is to open up. On opening up, you have to link into your Dstv account, so you need to use your smart card number or your ICU account. Then after finishing, it will show like this. Next, you have to tap pay now. From your pay now, you can choose to pay a particular package. For example, here my account is already paid, but I'm going to show you how to pay. So you click pay now, and this is easier than paying for it using mobile money. Your account will be linked first or to be paid first, and the channels will show way further than if you are using only mobile money or any other third-party apps. So you click pay now, and the page will load. So what you have to do is to click any of these payment providers. We have PayPal, MTN Mobile Money, and Airtel Money. So you click on Airtel Money, you type in the number you want to pay with. Next, and this is how it will be like. The mobile number will be used for the payment. Please ensure you have sufficient funds for your account. Then you confirm. Next, you click pay now. It will process your payment. You pay using mobile money, but this is way a bit faster than just using ordering the payment codes. Then the pop-up will come, then you put in your pin, and then the payment will be done. Thank you so much, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this.